Hey y'all, Jen Hernandez, Loan with Jen. Check us out on our channel. We've got a library of videos ready to go at your disposal. It'll save you hours of research online. So welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about getting a home loan. Where do I start? Where do I start? Oh my gosh. Stay tuned. Hey, we're back. Where do you start to get a home loan? You want to purchase a home, ready to get into a place of your own. The first thing that you need to do is contact a lender. Sometimes clients do it in the reverse and they contact a realtor first, and that's okay. However, you really don't know where to start and what to look at if you don't know how much you're qualified for. So we super recommend that you contact a lender. We're a super big proponent of a local lender, meaning local to the state that you live in. It could be local to the city that you live in, of course, but anywhere in the state that you live, that lender is going to be familiar with, are there down payment assistance programs available in the state, and what's the pulse on the local market? So you can get referrals from friends, co-workers. We definitely encourage you getting referrals to people that are trusted and proven and known. And friends, your realtor, co-workers is a great place to start. Now, secondly, and before I go into that, you want to make sure and watch our video on how to choose a lender. So we've got a video about that, and also a video on why pre-approved 6 months out. So make sure you watch those on our channel. Okay, number 2 is you've discovered a lender, or you're in the process of interviewing several different lenders to narrow it down. It's good to get a general idea of your credit. Now this is super, super important, and we definitely have videos in our credit playlist. You want to make sure and watch some videos about why your online score, you might have a service that gives you your credit score, or your bank, or your checking account, or your credit card. Those scores are not your mortgage credit score. This is super important. There is a variance, and it is oftentimes very different. So you want to watch our videos on how your online score is not equal to what your credit score, your mortgage credit score is. And there's also another video on the myths and truths about credit. You want to make sure and watch those too. Now, getting a general idea of your score is great, and getting to that local lender as soon as possible so you really know what your true score is, and you have homework. You might have homework of something to work on. Now, after knowing a general idea of your credit, watching the videos about credit, you want to gather your documents. Be prepared that when you pre-qualify, pre-approve for a home, that you've got to submit information. Income documents, your pay stubs, possibly your tax returns if you're self-employed, if you own your own business, W-2 forms, that's what your employer gives you at the end of every year, bank statements to show us where your down payment is, maybe investment account statements, 401k retirement account statements. So be prepared and have those things at your fingertips, because the lender will ask you for those. You will have to submit those things to get pre-approval, to have a letter, so they can generate a letter that you are approved, green light, ready to go, ready to look for a home. Okay, so it's important to have your documents ready to get those to a lender very quickly. Now, when you have that pre-approval, you've talked to the lender, you know which way you're going on the sales price, then you're going to go out with your realtor. So it really sounds that simple. It really is. That's why we recommend that you call trusted people that your friends and coworkers have used. That's usually where people are going to have a really smooth, positive experience with lots of education to help them through the process. Thanks for watching the channel. Talk to you soon. Legacy Mutual Mortgage is an equal housing opportunity lender. The opinions expressed here do not reflect those of Legacy Mutual Mortgage.